At my last workshop, one of these wood burning tools got cross-threaded, and now the tip won't go in all the way. So instead of throwing it away, I used a trick from my friend Crystal Baylor with Moss Tangle Arts to fix it. Here are the tools that you need. Of course, you will need your damaged burner, a pair of pliers, some graphite powder, an 832 NC steel tap, probably the most important tool here, a clean tip, and an old rag or a piece of paper or something to collect the unwanted dust. Now, your burner needs to be cold for this. You don't need to be damaging it by working on this hot. The first thing you're going to do is put your tap into the burner by hand. Screw it in as far as it'll go, and then use your pliers to tighten it. There is kind of a square end to the tap, and you just use that to hold it in place and either twist the burner or twist the tap or both to get it to go in. You're going to feel some resistance. You don't want it to stop you dead. You're not looking to rethread the entire thing, but you are looking for a little bit of resistance. You want to go ahead and work this in past that resistance all the way down into the burner. When you feel that it won't go in any further, pull it out just a little bit and twist it back and forth. What you're trying to do is bring back the threads that got crushed from the cross threading. And then you twist it out and give that burner a little tap on your rag or piece of paper or whatever you used to collect the little bits of brass that are going to be flaking off. Then you need to test your tip and see if it goes in all the way. Mine does. Yay! But if it doesn't for you, twist the nib back out and try it again. Now, since mine is good, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this powdered graphite in there, and that's going to help it to just move more smoothly when I put the nibs in and out. And I want to make sure that the graphite gets in the threads of the barrel, not just at the bottom of the barrel, but in the threads where it's actually going to make a difference. I like to twist the nib back and forth a little bit just to make sure that it helps to spread that graphite into the threads a little more effectively. And that is how you rescue a cross-threaded wood burning machine from the trash. If this was helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to head over to burnsavvy.com where I share a lot of other practical wood burning tips and advice. Later, Pyro!